Alright, welcome channel guys. In today's video I have got one more beautiful vintage watch from Casio. So as you can see, the box has not been unboxed because this was not an open box delivery as it was ordered from Myntra. So yeah, let's quickly cut through the package and see what we have got. Okay, this is how the box looks. It says Casio here and vintage series here. You can see the box has been, looks like it has been abused a lot, but as you could see, this is the box. So the other youth series comes in black color, and the vintage series, you can see the box is finished in green. It says vintage series and you can see all the details here. The MRP is 1695, but you can grab this watch around 1500 rupees. So yeah, the moment of truth is here. Let's quickly unbox this. Okay, as soon as you unbox, you have got the watch itself, which is quite nice. So this watch resembles the OG Casio F91W, but with a metal case and bracelet. If you keep the watch aside, you have got all the paperwork. So this is general Casio booklet, and you have got all the essential tags, and yeah, there is the warranty card as well. So let me just keep it aside and get to the watch now. So the watch is super slim and tiny. As you can see, it has got date, day and time. It also has a stopwatch and chrono alarm feature, and the bracelet you see here is made of stainless steel. Okay, let me quickly wear this watch and show it on my wrist. There is a tag here, but this is how it fits and this is how it looks on my wrist. Looks super minimal and simple. So yeah, this was all about the unboxing and the first impression about this watch. If you have any doubts or suggestions, do let me know in the comment section box down below. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in my next video. Peace out.